Hello and assalamualaikum. I'm Aladdin M. Harun, and right now I will be discussing the assigned question to me, which is the question number 12. Question number 12. Number of 5-digit numbers which are divisible by 5, and each numbers containing the digit 5. Digits being all different is equals to k times 4. The value of k is letter A 84, letter B 168, letter C 188, and letter D 208. So in this problem, we are going to find the value of k. So to find that value of k, we have to solve and understand the given situation in this problem. So in this problem, we are going to find 5-digit numbers that are divisible by 5. So gawa tayo ng 5 lines, and then sabi daw dito is maglalagay tayo ng 5. So ilagay natin ito sa last position. And then next step is we are going to find numbers that are divisible by 5. So we have 10 sample of numbers, which is yung 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So in these numbers, we all know that numbers that ends with 0 and 5 are numbers that are divisible by 5. Why? Because, for example, yung 10 is, it ends with number, or it ends with 0. Same with 35, it ends with 5. So if we divide 10 by 5, we get the 2. And then yung 35, i-divide natin sa 5, makukuha natin yung sagot na 7. So this only means that numbers that ends with 0 and 5 are really the numbers that are divisible by 5. So in this case, minus natin tong dalawang numbers na nakuha natin sa nakuha natin, which is yung 0 and 5. So 10 minus 2 is equals to 8 numbers. So 8 numbers kasi yung 8 numbers is yan yung dami ng numbers na pagpipilian natin na ilalagay natin sa sample spaces natin, or yung available spaces, kasi sa kuan dito is 4 lang yung natira na spaces or digit, kasi nga yung isa meron ng laman, which is 5. Now in this case, we can use the formula of permutation formula, which is yung NPR is equals to N all over N minus R. Then, ang next na gagawin natin is we have to find the value of N and R. So, in this case, 8 is the value of N, and then yung R is the value of 4. Okay, or yung R, the value of R is 4. So, i-substitute lang natin yung value ng N and R, which is 8P4 is equals to 8 all over 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Then expand lang natin tong 8. So we got 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 all over 4. So since parehas yung numerator and denominator natin, that means we have to cancel out. So ang natira lamang is 8 times 7 times 6 and times 5. Now, sa kanina, since dalawang numbers ang nakuha natin, dalawang numbers yung nakuha natin na divisible by 5, that means we have two cases in solving in this problem. So first, the case 1. So here in case 1, ang sabi, last position is filled by 5. So gawa muna tayo ng 5 lines. Then ilagay natin yung 5 sa last position. And then yung 0 natin is pwede natin siyang ilagay kahit saan except for first position. So lagay na lang natin sa third position yung 0. Ayan. Then next, we can use this formula, NPR times 3 is equals to 3 times N all over N minus R. As you observe, nadagdagan yung formula natin ng times 3 because yung line natin dito, yung sa digit natin, 3 lang yung natira na wala pang laman. That is why we have to multiply it by 3. So, getting the value of N and R, gaya kanina, yung N natin is 8. And then yung R is 3. Ayan. Next is substitution of the value of n and r. So we have got this 8p3 is equals to 3 times 8 all over 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Copy lang natin yung times 3. Then after that, expand natin yung 8. Then we got this one, 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 all over 5. Then cancellation kasi magkapareha si 5 sa both numerator and denominator. So cancel out natin yung 5. Ang natirang numbers lang is yung 3 times 8 times 7 times 6. Now, let's proceed for the case 2. Here in case 2, ang sabi, last position is filled by 0. So, first, gawa tayo ng 5 lines. Yan. Then, put the 0 at the last position. Then, 4 lang yung natirang position na wala pang laman. But, yung sabi sa question is, each numbers containing the digit 5. So, still may 5 pa rin siya. May 5 pa rin dito sa mga space na to. So, that means, tatlong space lang. Same as case 1. So, formula natin is NPR is equals to 4 times n all over n minus r. So, 4 kasi nga 4 yung walang laman dito. Then, finding the value of n and r, which is 8, same as case 1. And then, yung 3, which is, yan yung value ng r. Now, substitution, 8p3 is equals to 4 times 8 all over 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. And then, copy the times 4, expanding the 8. We got this 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. Then, cancel all over 5. Cancel the 5 kasi magkaparehas. Ang natira, 4 times 8 times 7 times 6. Next. So, yung mga answers na nakuha natin, yung tatlong answers is, i-combine lang natin sila. So, ito na sila, 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 plus 3 times 8 times 7 times 6 plus 4 times 8 times 7 times 6. So, next step is combining like terms, yung mga numbers na magkakaparehas. So, meron tayong 8 times 7 times 6 kasi nga yung tatlong answers natin is pare-parehas lang yung tatlong digit, yung 8, 7, and 6. And then 5, 3, and 4. So, ayan. I-add lang natin tong 5 plus 4 plus 3. Then 12, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12. And then copy the 8 times 7 times 6. So, sa question is nakalagay doon equal K4. Ito, K times 4. Then, same sa kanina, i-expand natin itong 4. Expand natin itong 4. So, copy the 12 times 8 times 7 times 6 equals to K times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, solve natin tong K. So, 4 times 3, 12 times 2, 24 times 1, 24. So, 24K. Ayan. And then, after that, ito, i-multiply, distribution natin tong 12 sa 8, 7, and 6. So, 12 times 8 times 7 times 6. So, we got 4,032. Then copy the 24K. Then to get the value of K, we have to divide both side by 24 para makuha natin yung K. So ayan na, 4,032 divide by 24. Then since parehas yung 24 cancel out, natira lamang is yung K. So 4,032 divided by 24 is equals to 168. So now we already got the value of K, which is 168. That means the final answer is letter B, 168. So I guess that will be all. That ends my presentation. And Shukran and wassalam.